We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Telegram. Families and friends will prosper. Up for business. Okay, guys, we are marking up USD, CAD. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. Head over to price. Price action, last active candle. Market goes up in price. We're looking at market to reach these areas of highs. Price go down. We touch this low. Price break further down. It's going to target this area here. We're also going to add the midpoint in the middle. What's going on in the market? Overall, near price action, this overall section, we can see that price came from a bottom. So what we received was market pushed up once, ended up coming back to the low of the area of price, pushed up again, and dropped back down. And we look at we're getting a retest, market sell. So we look at it making sell. We got a double top retest overall, or that market can consolidate sideways until we finally get that breakout to the downside or upside, or that market could be doing a W. We could have that first leg, second leg, third leg, could push back up for that fourth leg retest and shoot up through new levels. Head down the time frame to see what's going on. Headed down to the weekly. Okay, so where price action is currently at, pushed down from somewhere. So we see a triple top, 1, 2, 3. The market pushed down. But let's head over to the high of this area to see what's going on, what happened in this area. So we got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got about triple top, multiple retests. There's a lot of retests in this area. We'll push the market down. And if you go to lower time frame, it'll be a lot more than just a triple top, maybe a quadruple top. So we have market push down once, market push down twice, market push down 3 times, market push down 4. That's cap. So market exhausts itself all the way towards the end. This market may not push down any further. It can, but if it does, it has to consolidate a little more, create that momentum for it to drop back down. Not, we'll get that first, second, third, and market could be working its way up. Looking at price action, near price action, we got about 3 pushes to the top. So market spiked up once, market spiked up twice, market spiked up 3 times. So we got that 1, 2, 3. Then market dropped back down. It ain't reached the low, but it reached the midpoint, so it can create that momentum if we wanted to come back up. If not, we know it can consolidate or break down. Let's walk at a time frame to see if we see anything. Head it down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we are at our lower lows. We clearly see that spike up near price. That market could be pushing down further, and the reason why is because we see at a resistance area here, market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, market pushed up 3 times, got the retest, and then market pushed down once, market pushed down twice. It can push down a little bit more. It may just go back to our areas of lower lows that's near on the daily time frame. So look like it's headed down. So if it breaks this area of resistance, it can do that break and retest on the daily time frame. It may be reaching back to areas of lows. So that lower low we created on the monthly time frame, it possibly can break that, and then we got to figure out if it's going to retest and drop down, or if not, create that momentum to go up. Headed down to the 4. So let me go back to the daily. I want to mark this up a little more. So I want to do is, I want to put this area into a consolidation. I'm going to grab these highs. Now let's work down the time frame, see what's going on. Head down to the 4. Now we can see that market consolidating a lot clearer on the 4-hour time frame. We got to figure out what's going on in this area. We know we came from 3 pushes to the top. 1, 1, 2, 3. Retest. Market dropped down once, twice, 3 times. Look like 4. About 4 times to the low. This is like instead of 1. Market pushed down 4. So where we at right now with this area of price action 4-hour, gotta wait for it to break out. So far, it's doing that consolidation. It's looking like a W though. First, second, third, fourth. Retest, market push up once. Oh, pattern right in there. Look like a head and shoulders pattern. Left arm, head, shoulders, right shoulder. Could be pushing up out of that retest and going up. I mean, if not, then we'll just be kind of in this area here. First, second, third, fourth. Retest. The market can sell down. So it'll be a double top and a retest. So far, it really looks like a head and shoulders pattern on the 4-hour. Headed down to the 3. We can see markets pushing up with doji. So we got 2. We got an engulfing doji in the previous one. So hold on, headed down to 3. These candles is not breaking above. This is like a wedge pattern in there. We gotta see if it's gonna break. That's why we got that doji. So it's having a hard time to break that area of this highs. We got wicks breaking on the 3 and 2, but we don't have any bodies breaking. And you can see where the market is having a hard time breaking that area here. Market pushed up once, twice, 3 times. Retest multiple times. So we got to figure out what's going to go on here. We can definitely see that head and shoulders pattern that pushed the market up. Once it got here, market pushed down from a double, about a triple top. 1, 2, 3, or 2 pushes to the bottom. 1, 2. And then now it's creating that momentum to go back up. So there's that W here. And then market retest. We got to see if we're going to get that push up from that W so that we have that first, second, third, fourth, retest 1, retest 2, retest 3. Headed down to the 15. The market is in a huge consolidation. It's not breaking anything. The market just sitting up that high, that consolidation from, I think, maybe like the 3-hour time frame. We can see the market pushed up once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Headed down to 3. Got that decline motion looking. Market's having a hard time to break, even in the 1. So the market's kind of running off the 3 hours, or what's that, the 4? 3, 4, 2, 1. So on the 1 hour or the 2 hour, we get an engulfing pattern on this 2 hour. We see that market's going to push up. We need something to break. We found dojis on a 1 hour time frame, so we can see that market's retesting something in here. It could be pushing back up to highs. So I mean, we are in that uptrend. So is this fact is the market's going to respect it in this area here to keep on pushing up? If not, you see the engulfing pattern, which is going to push the market down. Very important information, guys. Please study forex pattern cheat sheet to understand market patterns. So this is a pattern that we see in the market today. We see a head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. When we caught it, it was like somewhere right here. So we know that market's going to push all the way up. When we went down the time frame, we've seen that the market was all the way up at that high, and it worked its way back down, I think, from a double top. Very important information, guys. Please review and study, breakout and retest. You got to understand when you see these lines here, the SR lines, when the market is breaking, you have to wait for the market to come back down and return to the area to find entry, looking for the patterns from Forex pattern T-sheet. That's in this area here that you can see the market pushed up once and push up a second time. Hey guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. USD, CAD.